This is a product introduction video for the footwear controller from JP Technology Initiatives. The footwear controller is designed for living room use, which has the form of a sandal for wearing comfort. It uses a cell battery that is easy to replace. The footwear controller can be turned on and off using the switch on top of the battery case. This is the on switch state. And this is the off switch state. The footwear controller can be connected to user devices, such as computers, tablets, smartphones, as a Bluetooth peripheral. Here we show the use of the footwear with an Apple MacBook. Simply switch the footwear power on. A paired footwear controller will connect to the computer. We provide a Unity sample project to demonstrate basic functions of the footwear controller. Once the sample project is running, it starts to get data from the footwear controller. The footwear controller provides user foot pointing direction, foot tilt angle, and foot touch state as basic control inputs. In the sample program, the rectangle shape rotates with foot pointing direction. The thin bar turns with foot tilt angle. The foot touch state is determined by whether a user's foot heel and front sole are pressing the ground. For each foot, the two button-shaped cylinders reflect the foot touch state at the heel and front sole positions. Using inputs from one footwear controller, various single-foot gestures can be detected, which include swipe, wiggle, step, tap, etc. Both left and right footwear can be connected to a user device at the same time. To pair a new footwear to a user device, the footwear needs to be started in Bluetooth discovery mode. This is achieved by switching the footwear on, while pressing down the front touchpad of the footwear. The discovered footwear can now be easily connected to the MacBook and ready to work. The right footwear provides foot pointing direction, foot tilt angle and in-foot touch state of a user's right foot. With both footwear connected, by-foot gestures such as walk, run, jump can be detected. Direction of walk, run or jump can be inferred using foot pointing direction. The JPTI footwear controller allows natural foot gesture-based control in various game and applications. We have several demo applications developed for concept illustration. See video's description for demo video links. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to contact us if you are interested in using the footwear controller in your applications.